Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Language enthusiasts, today we are diving into Quillbot, your ultimate writing assistant. Follow along as we explore the fundamentals and learn how Quillbot can revolutionize your written process with its intuitive features and AI-driven capabilities. So guys, let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So guys, the first thing that you should do is of course go ahead and open Quillbot. So by going to quillbot.com, as you can see right here, you will be able to open it. Now this is Quillbot, guys, and here there is a lot of modes and a lot of stuff. So one of the things that Quillbot can do is if you heard about Grammarly, which is a similar app to Quillbot, it does the same thing somehow. So here, first of all, let me just get a paragraph from a website. So article, let me just write article. Let's find news, article news, or news article, I mean, CNN, for example. I'm going for this article and I'm going to copy this paragraph. Now here, to write text, enter and paste it here and press paraphrase. So here I'm going to write it, and as you can see here, the text itself, I need to select which language I would like it to be and which language it is. So here it is. I have chosen here that it is in English. Now I want it to be rewritten in another mode. For example, if standard is basically write text with new vocabulary and word order. Fluency improves the clarity and readability of text. Neutral rewrite text in more human, authentic way. Formal rephrase text is in a more sophisticated way. Academic express text in a more technical and scholarly way. Simple, which can be text way that is easy to understand, and creative and expand, shorten, and etc. So here I'm not gonna, of course, translate all of that. I'm not gonna work on all of that. I'm just gonna use this phrase. So let's do that. So this is the phrase that we are going to work with. There we go. Let me just read it for you guys. So there we go. So the first thing is, if I finish, it's the end of the day. I anticipate, Your Honor, the eternity for Donald Trump says. So here I'm just gonna remove Donald Trump says, and here the alternative for Donald Trump. So yeah, let's remove that. Yeah, I'm gonna just keep this one. So here I'm gonna make it, for example, more fluent. So if I finish, it's the end of the if I finish, I await the end of the day, Your Honor. If I finish, it's the end of the day. So you see the difference. Now I'm going to make it more natural, or I'm going to just keep it more standard. So there we go. If I finish, it's the end of the day. I anticipate, Your Honor. If I am done, it will be the end of the day, Your Honor. Here I'm going to make it more formal. So there we go. Here, formal mode, raise research paper reports. Let's choose, okay, let's input here texts. Okay, this one is actually for premium, so you can't really have it. Let's search for academic. Yeah, these ones are pretty much for premium versions, so that is why we can't really use them. But anyway, for those who have the premium version, you can actually use all of these for free. I mean, not for free, I mean, you can use them as much as you want because you have the premium version. And in case you didn't know, guys, you can use this Quillbot as an extension. So you simply have to click right here and it will be added to your Google Chrome as an extension. So with that, you can simply go anywhere on your browser, write any text, and it's gonna be reformed, rewritten the way you want it. Now there is still more than that. There is a way or tools that are very nice. So if we check right here, there is paraphraser, which we have talked in the beginning. There is grammar checker, which basically will correct the words or the text that you are writing. So let me just write here, hello, I'm your friend, and let me just do this, do that. Okay, so I'm gonna make a lot of mistakes, and as you can see, if I click here, and as you can see on the right, there is some kind of answers that's gonna be replaced. So hello, comma, this is the first thing, I am grammar. So I am your should be changed to your, and friend should be written like that. Hello, your friend. So here I'm gonna do that. So it can be another problem, and as you can see here, another problem has been fixed. Just using the grammar checker, it will fix your text a lot. You can of course write here, make a whole paragraph or a whole text and reports in here with the tools. You can change the color, you can add a background, you can align the text, you can add for example 1 2 3 numbered list or points list or bullet list, depending on what you want exactly. So this is for the second method or the second feature they have. So there's also the plagiarism checker. So in case you had the text, let's say that you were a student, or not a student, you were a teacher, and you had the reports from your students come in, and you had to check if they have copied it from somewhere in the internet. So this one is very nice. So you simply have to copy the text that you have, paste it in their tool, and it will scan the text and check from millions and thousands of websites and see if this text is copied from anywhere on the internet. If it matches anything, it will be mentioned to you. If it's not, if it was pure and created from your student, then it will tell you that it is it has like 3 or 5% or even like 12%. That's not bad. Even if it was like 30%, that is not bad for something that has been written by yourself. You can take ideas from the internet. 30% is not bad, but as long as you pass 30, as you can see for example on this picture, there is 73, which is this whole text is basically copied from somewhere on the internet. There is just few words that has been changed. Well, this one will help you a lot to check the plagiarism of the text and see if it has been copied from somewhere or not. Also here there is the AI detector. So here I don't really trust these tools yet, because the AI will always tell you that it is made by ChatGPT. Whatever the text that you have written, it will tell you that the text is made by ChatGPT usually. So here it will simply just check if the AI has written something for you or not. For example, let's say the same example that I've said before. You are a teacher, you have students, so you are simply gonna check if these students have been using ChatGPT for their exercises or for reports or something like that. You simply have to paste the text here, analyze the text, and it will give you the answer. There is also more tools that you can explore by yourself, guys, like Quillbot Flow, Summarize, Citation Generator, and Translator. You can use all of these tools for free as long as you use it for a limited time. In case you would like to use it more, then you have to get the premium version. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. Thanks a lot, and see you guys in the next tutorial.